In a story that sounds like something straight out of a movie script, cats were parachuted onto the island of Borneo in a mission led by the United Kingdom's Royal Air Force, RAF. But this bizarre event was actually the final chapter in a chain reaction that started with an attempt to eradicate malaria. The case has since become a textbook example of how tampering with ecosystems can lead to unexpected and often disastrous consequences. Back in the 1950s, malaria was a major health crisis in Borneo. To combat it, the World Health Organization, WHO, recommended spraying homes with the pesticide DDT. At first, the results seemed promising. Mosquito populations plummeted, and cases of malaria dropped significantly. But the pesticide didn't just target mosquitoes. Other insects, like cockroaches, were also contaminated. When geckos ate these poisoned bugs, the toxins accumulated in their bodies, a process known as biomagnification. Then, when cats fed on the geckos, they too were poisoned. Before long, the island's cat population was nearly wiped out. With fewer cats around, rats began multiplying at an alarming rate. This led to new threats, including outbreaks of diseases like bubonic plague and typhus, both spread by rodents. What had started as a public health solution had quickly turned into a full-blown crisis. And the problems didn't stop there. The DDT also killed off parasitic wasps that naturally kept caterpillar populations in check. Without these wasps, caterpillars ran wild, chewing through the thatched roofs of people's homes. Now, in addition to dealing with disease-carrying rats, locals were also watching their houses literally fall apart. Faced with this chaos, authorities had to act fast. In 1960, the RAF devised a plan to reintroduce cats to Borneo. But since ground transportation was nearly impossible in the region, they came up with an unusual solution. 23 cats were loaded onto airplanes and dropped by parachute in padded baskets. Thankfully, all the feline paratroopers landed safely and got straight to work controlling the rat population. The strategy worked. Within weeks, the cats had restored balance to the ecosystem, reducing the number of rats and preventing the spread of new diseases. The operation was deemed a success, and local officials soon reported that the rodent problem had been eliminated. The Borneo cat drop has since become a legendary case study in ecology, serving as a stark reminder of the unpredictable consequences of meddling with nature. And this wasn't an isolated incident. Similar ecological disasters have occurred in places like India and Mexico, where reckless pesticide use has caused devastating chain reactions. The story of the parachuting cats proves that ecosystems are incredibly complex. Even small changes can trigger massive ripple effects. And as Borneo's bizarre rescue mission shows, even well-intended decisions can lead to solutions no one could have imagined. If there's one lesson to take from this tale, it's that nature is an intricate, interconnected system. Before we try to fix one problem, we need to fully understand how all the pieces fit together. Otherwise, we might just find ourselves airdropping cats to save an island from a rat invasion. And you? What do you think of this story? Share your thoughts in the comments, like the video, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our content. See you next time.